Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be riding my bike. My other bike is broken, so I will be riding a new bike. Brand new bike with a shock. If you guys can see. I'm on the way to like a little school area and it's open, so like, let me go. Let me get up here on the sidewalk. See if there's a car. Yeah. Come on, this BS. Be right back. I'm crossing the road. Okay, guys, I crossed the road. I'm on the way there to the park. I'm pretty sure this redid this whole driveway. I have to be careful. Sorry guys if this video is gonna be bumpy. Sidewalk is kinda bumpy. Okay, I need to grab my brakes, cross the road. Be right back, chat. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to the other entrance since the other one is like packed with all the bike kids on all the bike teenagers like bike group, so oh crap. It's hard running a bike with one hand, chat. Since I don't have like any of those things yet, I will have them in the future though. I will become a famous YouTuber. So let's go, chat, let's go. Yo, let's go, chat. Yo, chat. There's a park. Holy crap. Yo, let's go have a little visit to this park. Yo, guys. Park my bike. That's it. They have the whole thing, chat. Have the whole playground. Free to me. Yo. You guys want to go down first? I'll let y'all. Tell me in the comments if I should go do this again. Here, chat, I'm sending you down. 3, 2, 1. Yo. W's. This fucking park is awesome. Yo, chat. I should come here more often. Let me get back on my bike. Okay, chat, I'm back. Chat, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Love y'all. Vote. Peace.